In this video, we'll find the first derivative of the function. F of x equals the square root of x to the fourth minus 8 all over x. We'll simplify first, then differentiate using the power rule step by step. Step 1. Simplify the expression. The square root of x to the fourth equals x squared, since x squared is always non-negative. Substituting, f of x becomes x squared minus 8 all over x. We can split the fraction into x squared over x minus 8 over x. That is x minus 8 times x to the power negative 1. Also remember the domain restriction x is not 0 because we are dividing by x. Step 2. Differentiate term by term using the power rule. The power rule says the derivative of x to the n equals n times x to the n minus 1. For the first term, the derivative of x to the 1 is 1. For the second term, the derivative of negative 8 times x to the negative 1 is negative 8 times negative 1 times x to the negative 2, which equals 8x to the negative 2. Combine the results to get f prime of x equals 1 plus 8x to the negative 2. Step 3. Express the answer without negative exponents and keep the domain in mind. This gives f prime of x equals 1 plus 8 over x squared, with x not equal to 0. Quick check, a calculator or an alternate method might produce an equivalent expression. For example, f prime of x equals negative the square root of x to the fourth minus 8 over x squared, plus 2 times the square root of x to the fourth over x squared. Since the square root of x to the fourth is x squared, this becomes negative of x squared minus 8 over x squared, plus 2x squared over x squared. That simplifies to negative 1 plus 8 over x squared plus 2, which is 1 plus 8 over x squared. The same result. Final answer. F prime of x equals 1 plus 8 over x squared, for x not equal to 0. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.